Have you ever wondered what it would be like to achieve financial freedom? Not having to worry about bills at the end of the month and watching your money grow while you sleep? Welcome to the Financial Freedom Guide. If you're a beginner and want to start investing in 2024, this video is for you. Stay until the end and discover how to transform your finances. In this video, we will demystify the world of investments for you. You will learn where and how to start investing in 2024, even if you've never invested a cent in your life. Imagine having the financial security you've always wanted and building a solid future for yourself and your family. We'll show you the way. The reality is that most people don't invest because they're afraid of losing money, think it's too complicated, or simply don't know where to start. Have you ever felt lost or overwhelmed just thinking about investments? Have you heard of stocks, real estate funds, cryptocurrencies, but have no idea how they work? These feelings are common, but we're here to change that. Now let's get to the point. To start investing in 2024, you need to follow some simple and effective steps. Step 1. Basic financial education. Understand the basic concepts of personal finance. Start by reading books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, or watching educational videos on budgeting and saving. Step 2. Define your goals. Set clear goals. Do you want to save for retirement, buy a house, or just grow your wealth? Knowing what you want to achieve will help you choose the right investments. Step 3. Create an emergency fund. Before investing, have an emergency fund equivalent to 6 months of expenses. This protects you against unforeseen events and allows you to invest more safely. Step 4. Know the types of investments. Let's explore the main types of investments. Fixed income. Investments like CDBs, Treasury Direct, and credit letters offer lower risk and predictable returns. Stocks. Buying stocks means becoming a shareholder of companies. Although they are more volatile, they can offer high returns in the long term. Real estate funds. Ideal for those who want to invest in real estate without having to buy property. They offer monthly income and appreciation. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos are digital assets that can have significant appreciations, but are highly volatile. ETFs, index funds that replicate the performance of a specific index, like the S&P 500. They are diversified and low cost. Step 5. Investment platform. Choose a reliable brokerage. Research fees, platforms, and services offered. Some of the most recommended are XP Investimentos, Rico, and Easy Invest. Step 6. Start small. You don't need to invest large amounts at first. Start small, understand the market, and gradually increase investments as you gain confidence and knowledge. Step 7. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments to minimize risks and maximize returns. Step 8. Monitor and reevaluate. Invest time to monitor your investments, review your portfolio periodically, and make adjustments as necessary to stay aligned with your goals. Studies by renowned economist Jeremy Siegel from the Wharton School show that consistently investing in stocks over time can generate significant returns, outperforming inflation and providing real wealth growth. Additionally, World Bank reports highlight that investment diversification is essential for reducing risks and maximizing gains. But wait, we have an exclusive opportunity for you. Besides all this free knowledge, we have a special resource that can further accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. Imagine having access to a complete guide leading you step by step through each stage of this process. This guide is not just a collection of tips, it is the result of years of research and experience in the financial market. With it, you will have a practical and effective tool to start investing smartly and safely. Think of it as a map to the hidden treasure of your finances. We're not the only ones who believe in this. See what some of our followers have to say. The Financial Freedom Guide changed my view on investments. Now I feel confident in every financial decision I make. John S. Thanks to the tips and the guide, I started investing and already see my money growing consistently. Mary F. This channel is a game changer for any beginner. I recommend it to everyone. Linda P. And let's not forget that time is one of the most important factors in investments. The sooner you start, the greater your growth potential. Don't leave for tomorrow what you can start today. Every day that passes is a missed opportunity to make your money work for you. So, are you ready to take the first step towards your financial freedom? Don't waste any more time and secure our exclusive ebook now, which will give you all the necessary tools to start investing in 2024. Click the link in the description and transform your financial life today. Thank you for watching the Financial Freedom Guide. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up, and activate the bell to receive more valuable tips on how to achieve financial freedom. See you next time.